So this is what we have been talking about, and I've been shouting for last 1 week. Please go and sell call option. You can make money. Even though if you are following us, I've been telling for a very long time. And day before yesterday, I told markets are likely to go down. And yesterday markets went up by 250 points. I'm talking about Nifty. That was because of Elon Musk buying Twitter for around $44 billion deal. That was the only reason. And today see what has happened. Even though markets went yesterday, I have not done anything to my original position. I have just done some hedging. Of course, I had 17,200. I booked excellent profit today. And 17,500 still having. Tomorrow it is going to go to zero. I'll make good money in that 17,500 also. In next week I am planning to sell 17,500 again. And of course there is a disclaimer. If you want to do it, you have to know what you have to do, at least if the market comes to 17,500, right? So it's a very highly volatile market, and I'll just show you something. If you see this, you can see the volatility in the markets. It's a kind of highly volatile markets, and it's very much impossible to make money in the market. These kind of market, look at here, 20th, from 20th to 21st it is gapping up, then going up, then gapping down, coming down, then gapping down sideways, then gapping up, going up, then gapping down sideways. Highly volatile. It is very, very impossible to trade these kind of markets, right? So that's what we have been telling, and not only me, everyone is telling the same thing that markets are very much highly volatile. And we have a Telegram group, and people are just joking around. Like one of our members, Mr. Pradeep, has told on 27th of November Nifty was around 17,100, 27th of December 17,100, then 27th of January also 17,100, 27th February 17,000, 27th March 17,100, and April also 27th April 17,100. But in between it has gone to 16,400, 18,350 to 15,700 to 18,100 in the last 6 months. So highly volatile markets. Anyway, we have a very vibrant Telegram group for which the link is on the description below. You can come and join if you want. We discuss things about relating to stock market and options. So going forward, what is going to happen? That is the main question here. Past is past. What is going to happen going forward? So tomorrow is an expiry. Hopefully tomorrow markets will sustain 17,000 from the price action today. So it struggled a lot to close above 17,000. Now FII data has not yet come, but if it comes, I'm sure they would have sold aggressively. Before Europe market opens, FII started selling, and once the European market opened, DAI start buying. So last 2 hours or 3 hours, we can see a V-shape price action in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. Now, I have been telling this is stock specific market for now. We have, if you see a US market, yesterday Google's parent company Alphabet came out with a very bad result, and tomorrow I think today evening or today or tomorrow Axis Bank will come out with a result. Even before Axis Bank is coming out with result, it is down by around 2.5%. Reliance is almost flat, HDFC is flat. And they are talking about this LIC IPO, which is not going to boost the market. I will tell you why. That is a big story. I cannot tell you in this video. I will tell you, even if the LIC IPO is coming, market need not be on the upside for LIC IPO to come. Or if the LIC IPO comes, market is not going to go on the upside. There is a rationale behind why I am saying this, but we will talk about that in a very brief video. No matter whether LIC is coming or not, markets are not going to go on the upside. Now inflation, recession stories and all are coming up. So if you see I have seen many articles, and I have seen many what is this, many Twitter handles that whenever inflation fear is coming, recession will also come. So that is what is going to happen here. These are all simple logic things. You cannot expect the market. Just go to your chart. You don't see anyone. You don't have to look at anything. Go and see the chart. Make it a monthly chart. Have you ever seen month on month Nifty going on the upside? So that is what retailers are expecting here. They want to move the market in one direction, which is not at all going to happen. Markets work on cyclicals. So that is what we have been telling for the last 6 months. I am bearish, and I'll continue to be bearish. Markets are likely to go on the downside. Today Alphabet, I think after market hours today morning, I think this after market hours, I think Alphabet has come out with the result. Alphabet is a parent company of Google, and it was very disappointment. It was not as per market expectation, and that started downside. That was a big dragger for Nifty. And you know, the Alphabet is a huge stock. It is a reliance of Dow Jones or Nasdaq or S&P whatsoever. And even Amazon was down yesterday. So what you can see is that we are following US market more than Indian markets. So that's because this is earning season and everything is stock specific. Things are moving as per stocks and markets. I will tell you, it's very, very irrelevant. It is very hard to trade in this market. I'm not saying you cannot trade in this market. You can trade, but you will have to think dynamically and make adjustment dynamically to sustain in this kind of markets. One thing I can tell you is that weeklies are not working. Maybe you have to go for monthly option, or if you have patience, you can go for long-term options, because the only thing I can see is that weekly options in this kind of volatility is not at all working. So try monthly options or even long-term options. So that's what we have been doing so far. And we are doing some other small trades in weekly options also. Now looking at the open interest, what I can see is that there is aggressive call rating, I think, and let me see the NSE FII data, if FII data has come or not. Still now FII data has not yet come, and as per the open interest, that's what I told, that 17,000, at least market should sustain 17,000 tomorrow. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, if you see, there is no aggressive call. 36,500 is going to be very hard to be taken out, and people are writing around 36,000 short straddles in Bank Nifty. And of course, due to high premium today, they would have got good premium in Bank Nifty. And today they deploy a bank short straddle or strangle. And tomorrow morning, even if they open tomorrow morning, they are going to make good money. So that's what many people do. And this is what I can see from the data. So yeah, this is what I can see from the data, that calls are 36,000 high calls are being written in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and nothing much. And even now, if you want, you can go and sell call option. You go and write some 18,000 call option, you will make excellent money. No need any adjustment. Of course, you have to hedge. Don't do any trades without hedge. So you can write 18,000 call option and maybe buy 18,500 or 600 call option. So in case the market goes on the upside also, there is some hedge, and you can save margin money also. You can have benefits from margin benefits also. Of course, there's a disclaimer. You will have to know what you have to do if the market goes opposite to your view, right? So that is it today. I hope we will see what happens tomorrow. Markets are highly volatile, highly irrelevant. Be careful. And tomorrow is also earning season. I think Axis Bank is going to come out with the results tomorrow. And even General Dynamic is having The reason why Dow future is trading high is because of general dynamic, which has had given a good result, and it is up by 3%. So that could be the reason why markets are US futures are showing high. Even though US futures are showing high, when our market closed, US futures was Dow future was up by 300 points, but now it has come to 200 points, just 150 points down. Still it is in positive only, but it is around 200 points, and SGX Nifty is down by around 70 or 80 points. So let us see how things pan out tomorrow. Tomorrow is an expiry and last day of the April series. Let us see how things pan out. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.